Hi friends, welcome to Geeks for Geeks. This is a video tutorial on how to group words with same set of characters. Given a list of words with lower cases, implement a function to find all words that have the same unique character set. For example, for this given set of words, this will be the output. All words with the same set of characters are printed together in a line. The idea is to use hashing. We generate a key for all words. The key contains all unique characters. The size of the key is at most 26 for lowercase alphabets. We store indexes of words as values for a key. Once we have filled all the keys and values in the hash table, we can print the result by traversing the table. Let's look at the implementation. We have a getKey function which generates a key from given string. The key contains all the unique characters of the given string in sorted order. We create a boolean array visited, which is initially all false. Now we have to store all the unique characters of the current word in key. We traverse through the string and then set each character of a string as visited. That is, visited of string of j minus a equal to true. Initially the key is empty, then add those characters to it which are visited. Finally, return the string key. Now let's look at the words with the same char set function, which prints all the words together with same character sets. We create an unordered map called hash with data types as string and vector of int to store indexes of all the words that have the same set of unique characters. Then we traverse all the words, and for each word we get its key, and then in the map we do hash of key dot pushback I. Now hash is filled and we will print all the words that have the same unique character set. Iterate through the hash, then for each set of words in the hash, we will have a vector of indices stored corresponding to it. The word at these in, the words at these indexes have the same set of characters, so we will print these. We iterate now uh, we iterate now through the hashes vector int component, that is the second part, and for each int element in the vector, print the corresponding word by words star v. Cout endl after every group of words. The time complexity of this solution is order n into k, where n is the number of words in the dictionary and k is the maximum length of a word. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments.